Yo, hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing Hit That Button. So I think this is about the 8th or 9th time I'm talking in my videos. Yeah, it's the 8th, this is the 8th time I'm talking in my videos. So today guys, we're going to be doing the doubles. So I'm gonna press here, doubles. The things that we've done so far, we've done number bonds, we've done doubles, we've done times tables, we've done division facts, square numbers, but the only one we haven't done is halves. I can't really do them because those are a bit too hard for me. So anyway, we're gonna click on doubles. So we click here. I can see we've got many choices here. Wow, look at that one, up to 500. That might be really hard. So today we're going to be doing doubles to 10 again, like we always do. So yeah, so I'm going to click here, doubles to 10. So guys, it says instructions, hit that button that is double the number shown. So when I do this, guys, so like when the time is up, you can see it says timer here. I have 1 minute to see what score I get. So like when the time is up, guys, I'm gonna turn that microphone back on. So I'm gonna turn it off when I do this, so I can go faster. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna turn the microphone off in 3, 2, 1. So anyway, guys, you can see here that your time is up. You scored 66 out of 68. Excellent work. So I would say 66 out of 68 is a high score. Well, 66 out of 68 is a high score. If you think it's a high score, tell me down in the comments. I hope you guys like this video. Hit the like button if you like it. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell so you don't miss any of my other videos. There is more videos of this or any others that I will be talking in them. I will be doing more talking in videos. Yeah, I will be doing some more talking in videos, just to let you know. So like the video, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I know I did say that before. I know, I'll just say it again. So guys, thanks for watching. Goodbye.